Good afternoon, student. I am Priyanka Jaiswal, your new chemistry teacher. From now, we are starting our syllabus. First of all, we see our syllabus. So, student, this is our syllabus. From solid state to chemical kinetics, this is the physical chemistry related chapter. Then from 7th lesson to 9th lesson, that is the lesson which is including inorganic chemistry. And from halogen derivatives to amine, that is lesson which are included in organic chemistry. And I am taking the lesson from organic chemistry, that is halogen derivatives. So this is all about our syllabus. Student who want that syllabus, they can take the screenshot of this picture. So first question arises that what is halogen derivatives? So in halogen derivatives, in aliphatic or aromatic compounds in which one or more than one atoms of hydrogen is replaced by halogen atoms, that is known as the halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon. This is the example for halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon. First example is of the methyl chloride, then methyl bromide, then ethyl iodide. Okay, so here this is the methane, that is alkane, that is methane. We can write like this CH3H, okay, in which one of the hydrogen atom can be replaced by this halogen atom, that is chlorine atom, okay, and it can form the methyl chloride. This is the halogen derivatives of alkane. Okay, this is the formation of the halogen derivatives. So halogen derivatives means क्या होता है कि इन एलिफेटिक कंपाउंड या फिर एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड्स में एक या एक से ज़्यादा हाइड्रोजन एटम्स अगर रिप्लेस होते हैं किसके साथ में, हेलोजेंस के साथ में रिप्लेस होते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज halogen derivatives. Okay, so this is the classification of halogen derivatives. There are two modes of classification. First we see on the basis of the hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen bonded. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि जिस प्रकार का हाइड्रोकार्बन स्केलेटन है जिसमें हेलोजन अटैच है, उसके बेस पर ये क्लासिफिकेशन किया गया है. ओके, नाउ वी नो अबाउट दैट द हाइड्रोकार्बन स्केलेटन इज ऑफ वेरियस टाइप लाइक alkane, alkyne, alkene and arenes. So let us discuss on the classification. So first classification is haloalkanes. Haloalkanes in which of the hydrocarbon skeleton is present, that is the alkane. alkane जो होता है इसमें प्रेजेंट होता है और ये सिंगल बॉन्डेड स्ट्रक्चर होता है. इसमें सिंगल बॉन्ड्स ही हमको मिलेंगे, देखने को मिलेंगे. सो इसमें क्या हुआ है, ये इथीन का स्ट्रक्चर है. इसमें वन ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन क्या हुआ है, रिप्लेस हुआ है हेलोजन के साथ में, एंड इट कैन फॉर्म द इथिल हलाइड. ओके, इन द सेकंड क्लासिफिकेशन, दैट इज द हेलोअल्कीन. हेलोअल्कीन का मतलब क्या होगा, यहाँ पर डबल बॉन्ड्स होंगे. ओके, हियर डबल बॉन्ड इज प्रेजेंट. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इथीन. in the ethene in the structure of ethene, one of the hydrogen is replaced by the halogen atoms and can form the haloethene. In third classification, haloalkynes. In this haloalkynes, ये इसका एग्जाम्पल है और ये इसका एग्जाम्पल है, हेलोअल्काइंस. In the alkynes, triple bond is present and one of the hydrogen is replaced by the हेलोजन एटम. ये हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करके यहाँ पे हेलोजन प्लेस हुआ है, दैट इज नोन एज हेलो अल्कीन्स. एंड लास्ट वन इज द हेलो अरीन्स. हेलो अरीन्स में क्या होता है? हेलो अरीन्स में भी वही होता है. वन ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन अरीन्स जो होते हैं उसमें वन ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन रिमूव होता है और उसके जगह पर कौन बॉन्ड होता है? हाइड्रोजन हेलोजन एटम. सो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल फॉर द हेलो अरीन्स. ओके, this is all about the classification on the basis of the hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen bonded. So this is the classification on the basis of number of halogen atoms attached to the hydrocarbon. On this basis, the halogen derivatives can be classified as the monohalogen compound and polyhalogen compound. In the monohalogen compound, one halogen atom can be one hydrogen atom of the alkene or hydrocarbon can be replaced by one halogen atom, that is known as monohalogen compound. In the polyhalogen compound, two or more than two hydrogen atom can be replaced by two or more than two halogens, that is known as polyhalogen compounds. Polyhalogen compounds can be classified as dihalogen compounds, trihalogen compounds and tetrahalogen compounds. In dihalogen compounds, two hydrogen atoms can be replaced by two halogen atoms, that is known as dihalogen compound. This is the example methyl chloride. This is the dihalogen compound in which two hydrogen atom can be replaced by two halogen, that is two chlorine atoms, that is known as dihalogen compound. In the trihalogen compound, three hydrogen atoms can be replaced by three halogen atoms, that is known as the trihalogen compound. This is the example of trihalogen compound, that is the trichloromethane. This is dichloromethane and this is the trichloromethane, in which three hydrogen atom can be replaced by three halogen, that is three chlorine, that is known as trihalogen compounds. In tetrahalogen compounds, four hydrogen atoms can be replaced by four halogen atoms, that is known as tetrahalogen compound. The example of the tetrahalogen compound is CCl4, tetrachloromethane. Okay, in this four hydrogen atom, methane contain four hydrogen atom and all the four hydrogen atoms can be replaced by this four chlorine atom, that is the halogen, that is known as tetrahalogen compounds. This is all about the classification of the classification of the halogen derivatives. Okay.